on with the ST. This is the bad version. Right, I've got the power supply in. It's the bad out of the two. I will put the original floppy drive in there because I am not using the floppy in there. So the one that I've got, where are we? This one here. The upgraded version. I couldn't give a monkey's or rat's ass about this one. OSIS 92, whatever. I couldn't give a rat's balls about this. This is going because the Gore-Tex is going there and the other one. I don't think that's actually doing well. You've not screwed it in place properly, or the feet that are shorter than this aren't working. But again, couldn't give a rat's ass. You're never going to see that, never going to know that while it's in place. Or the person who's getting this on when I put this on eBay. So they will get original, everything will work because everything on this works. Original power supply, oh, God, come on, editing. Original power supply, original floppy drive, the 520 board, which I am so pulling myself apart to give away. 1040 surround, the metal work. 1040, oh sorry, the 520 FM case, because this is 520 base. The other thing that's getting me a little bit is the top section. 520. Tum-ti-tum-ti-tum. I need to retrobrite this. Either one, I need to retrobrite them. So this is more yellow. The 1040 is more yellow, but I need to pull this off here to put it onto here. And then I might get a new one of these. Surprisingly, these are very thin. But also surprisingly, no one's pulled the plastic off for either one of these. It pains me. I drive a van at work, and we have Parrot kits in the van at work, which are the Bluetooth hands-free kits for the vehicles I drive. And the screen just has a plastic coating on the front of it, and it's paining me for the 2 months we've had this van. Rip it off. So I don't know. Do I keep? Well, it doesn't matter which one I keep because it's just a sticker on it. They're exactly the same. Actually, it doesn't matter what I keep because this one here, a crack out down here, and I've tried repairing it, which has just ripped off the entire retrobrite. Well, the fading of this one, but. Would you expect at this age, 92, 91, 89 version of this to be perfect? I'll clean it, that's obvious, because there's crap on here. Yeah, there you go, there's a black bit there. I'm going to clean this, yes, but I ain't go around to it yet, and this looks better. I know the ST wasn't white, but it wasn't cack coloured either. So, still working on bits to put this in. That's there. I have a keyboard or two flying around and I've lost one of them. I think, yeah, I found one. The other one is here. Right, this is the one from the 1040. If I take it, hold on. The better one of the two, don't you think? Alright, let's get it up because of the shade. Closer to the... It's still yellow. So, granted, I will need to retrobrite. Attempt to retrobrite that one. I don't know how to do it, but I do follow a lot of Retro Man Cave's videos, Neil's videos, and he is brilliant. And I will see what I can do. He has done Amigas. Is it Amigas? It's done loads of other things, retrobriting them. And to be honest, I will try it. I wish I can try it on this one because this isn't what I'm keeping. And to sell an ST in this condition, which is bloody good condition. As it is, then, but to be retrobrighted as well would be a good selling point. Would probably get me more than what I need for this. But yeah, let's see what happens, shall we? That's a point. Do I put that on there? Not yet. I will put that on there anyway, because I don't need that on the other one. But I will put that on there. Okay, let's keep going. Let's see how far along we get with the bad. On a Star Trek term, let's go for the Mirror Universe one version of the ST, and let's see how far I get along with this. Right, ST520 hybrid evil universe, Mirror Universe. ST is powered up. It powers. If you can't see down there, then I've not put it in the right position. The drive is on permanently. The TV is on white. So I think I've put the cable the wrong way. Actually, have I? That's the first time I've seen A and B drives on here. My test disc is virus. Let's put that in. Can you let that go in? I'll reset. I didn't hit drive go. Since I've started this with the STs, I have never heard a game. I've never seen a game actually powered up by one of these machines, which is annoying because it was nothing else I saw but being used by this machine. The oh god, I would love it when the the new camera is fitted in place and it's working fine. What with the memory card comes. It's not going to be tomorrow. It's going to have Royal Mail when you don't have Google, when you don't have Amazon Prime. Everything comes by snail mail. But the mounting's in and it's ready to go. And the camera is actually above where you are looking now, and I'm really annoyed I can't use it because the memory card's crap. Okay, so that doesn't want to boot from there. So why not? Because all I did was twist that round. The original was that way around. For this drive, which is an original drive, oh god, that was difficult. That doesn't seem right. But I bet it is. Damn it. Get that in place right. Okay, done. So power back on again, and that's on. Screen goes there. If you're off. Damn it! Reset. Alright, power off, power on. Yellow light's on, which you can't see. Still can't see. Yeah, there you go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Just... why is it not using it now? The whole thing works because it's tapping at you. But that is not on. Why is that way not working? Because it's in the wrong parts. Huh. Ah. Reboot. Can it wearing? Can it reading? Oh, for fuck's sake! Oh, this is the first time ever. Oh, virus works. The ST works. For sake. That looks very... I know David Brabham, whatever. And Elite starting off a lot slower than that with a spinning ship. What the hell is going on? This is honestly the first time oh, I'm guessing space is thrusters up. I have to think old-fashioned. Do I? No, I'm not doing anything. I'll assume this is a demo, but this is working. This is bloody working. Really, this is flipping working. Original disc. No copies here. This is working. This is really good working, and the RF is working really well as well. So, what I'm going to do... Get out, you flipping thing. Right, I am happy as pigs in crap with that. That fits well. And I'll put a top on it, and I'll put that on there. Oh. So this appears to be the evil version working... Oh, come on. Stupid twonk. This is the evil version of the ST that is actually working. Now, do I keep that or throw that? Put it there. Or there. You know what? I think I'm going to keep that. Because I don't have one of these on the good version. The Federation version, or the Empire version. Stop talking bloody Star Trek crap, you mouse. Right. And I've even used the stuff from the FM. Right. I'm going to keep that. Because this thing bloody works. So I'm going to make a crap version. Put this in the box. And... if there was 10 years down the line, I would be saying thank you very much to you and all the Patreons for making me £10,000 a month. I'd love it if you did. I really would. But I'm going to get on with this. Get this one finished for the bad version, and I'll start on the good version, which then will eventually be retrobrighted. And we'll see what happens there. But at the minute... I think this is going on for too long, or if it's not, it's going on for 5 minutes and I don't realise it, but please keep watching. Please help the channel. I need some help on the channel because I'm going nowhere and I'm absolutely fed up with not going anywhere. I need your help to see if I can get my name out, because it's really annoying me that it's taking forever. And then it's not really, is it? I think the problem with me is I want instant results, and I think YouTube is a lot longer than that. I think it's a very long-term thing. If anyone's watching this part, which you're not going to be at this stage, but if you're starting out with YouTube videos and you don't get 10,000 views per day, then you're going to give up. But I think YouTube is a very long-term process, which helps one thing only: YouTube. But I think it's more than that, because I've met some really good friends in this past 5 months that I can just drop on and talk to, and it's you don't get that in real life where you just text somebody, get your phone, text, and then, oh, you're at the pub tonight, and you'll wait an hour and they'll go, oh no, I'm doing something with our lass. When you speak to somebody in this YouTube community, the retro community at least anyway, it's just absolutely amazing. I've had some brilliant conversations, some meets with people, and it's just, yeah, maybe that's what the whole point of it is. It's not a case of money, it's not a case of donations, it's a case of doing something that people like and you like, and yeah, having a good time. If you're going to do this sort of stuff, do it. Don't hesitate, get on with it, do it. So, I'll see you in the next part of this Atari ST video. Bye-bye. There she is. This is the fake, alright, I'll clean. This is the fake 520 STFM. It is a 520 STFM board. It is a perfectly working computer. Everything works. You saw it do. Virus. This is the evil one. All screwed in place. Well done, Atari. You taught me how to be deceitful and lie about what's inside your systems. Even though it is truth, it's just, it's coming up at the edge. I'll sort that out. Bye-bye.